everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And I have another unboxing for you today. And this one's a little bit of a mystery.
Because you forgot what you bought?
No. I had 2 bags coming, actually 3 bags coming in one
Do I hear
day.
4?
No, just 3. And one of them required a signature, and that's this one. So the UPS told me that it wasn't going to be arriving until between 6:30 and 8:30 at night. So me and the cameraman were up like in our living room and dining room area with a huge window in front waiting for the packages to arrive. And about 7 o'clock, the cameraman went out to check, and lo and behold, 2 of the boxes were there. And then there was a note stuck on the window that said that, or on the door, that tried to deliver, no one was home. Well, there's no way they knocked on the door because we were right there. Garage door was open. I mean, we were home. And we wondered, what the deal was. I've had the UPS driver actually had a couple incidences with UPS. One, the driver never came by our house and said we weren't home. On a day that I took off work to be home. It was the first time I had an LV package coming. And he never even stopped by our house. Just put a note on the website, on the web thing. This, again, was a couple years ago. That just said, attempted, no one available. And they never came to our house. He later admitted that he was in a hurry and just marked it that way. Then I had a case where, or I've had other cases where they, again, say that they stop by and they don't. So this was just weird. We wondered what had happened. And then we pick it up. And one of the reasons I was going to show this as an unboxing is this brand, when I've purchased from them before, I just love the whole experience. I like showing that, like, I'm sure we've all seen Chanel unboxings and we've seen some of the other companies, but I wanted to show how nice this company's unboxings were, because the last time I bought anything new from them, the past times I did, I never showed the unboxing. So I was all excited to show everybody the unboxing. And I'm almost wondering if they didn't knock on the door because they had to take it back and retape it. Because, got it, and it looks like this. It's, that just doesn't seem, I mean, number one, it doesn't even seem like a box that they would use. Maybe, but also, I mean, like, there's these huge gaps here. There's no way this was taped that way. And you can see that there's actually plastic tape over where this brown tape is as well. So there was some additional taping done here. I mean, this is just, never seen anything like this. So I'm a little nervous now. But I thought, well, that's all the more reason to unbox it in front of everybody.
So without further ado.
Right, or long story short, too late. Here we go.
Way too late. And here comes the struggle bus.
Gosh.
Do, 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 do. 911, what's your emergency?
It's like a
Well,
damn cut.
Did you extend the blade?
Yes, I did.
Okay, just checking. Remember, you cut
I
away
guess
from
it did
yourself.
cut. Okay, this is looking better. So,
Push the box down a little bit. There you go.
there we go. There's the inside. Okay, so far so good. Oh, I am so excited for this. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I decided that I was going to treat myself with a bag, even though I've been trying to slow down a little bit. And I was going to allow myself up to $2,000 to spend.
We have a difference of opinion on slowing down.
And so I did. That's what I decided. There was a number of bags I was looking at. I was kind of thinking about adding another multicolor in the black to my collection. There's a number of those bags I would like.
Is that an LV?
Yes. And then I still want to get a Fendi baguette. Not the mama baguette, but a regular baguette. But
Can you get cream cheese on that baguette?
then I saw this, and I thought it had been sold out. And I went to the website, and this is hilarious. I'll say it as I unbox it, but I got this. And as you may recall,
A Mulberry bag.
because of Nick Snell, I was influenced to do my Mulberry collection very recently. And one of the things I told you all is to not buy them brand new, because you can usually get a deal about $500 or $600 off if you wait and get them used. Like, for example, Fashion File, last time I checked, had this pink beauty in excellent condition, available for $900. And I paid $1,500. So, I,
So you didn't listen to your own advice?
I didn't, no. I did buy this one used, this one new, and that one used.
We can't see that last one.
Oh, it's a macaroon
Just move the
colored.
bag.
It's a
There you go.
macaroon
Perfect.
colored one.
Okay.
But when I went to the website, because I had renewed love for Mulberry, and saw this was available when I had heard it was sold out, I added that sucker to bag, decided this was going to be the bag
Did
for
you add
me.
that sucker to cart?
I did.
Okay, not to bag.
And it wasn't even $2,000. Like I said, it was $1,490.
What a bargain.
So then I thought maybe I'd buy a matching wallet because I was under $2,000. But no, the slowing down person in me said, no, you said you'd get yourself one bag. Just because it wasn't $2,000 doesn't mean you spend $2,000. So here's the bag, and it comes all wrapped nice in Mulberry tissue paper. It says it's got the mulberry tree on it, but I'm sure you won't be able to see it through the camera. Pull that out. And then the bag, and there's all kinds of nice tissue paper. The bag is wrapped in tissue paper. You can see it's got the little mulberry stickers all over. I have wanted a bag, like a luxury bag, in this color for the longest time. And I always thought it was going to be the Chanel Coco handle. But I just don't love that bag. But it's the only time I've ever seen the color that I wanted in a bag. And then I figured it would probably never happen anyways, because I just can't see spending that kind of money on a bag I don't even really like the bag style of. So I just figured I'd probably never get one. So I bought a card holder in the color to make me feel better, and it did. And I thought I'd be fine without it until I saw this was available. My heart is like pounding in my chest. You can't even imagine.
Is that what that is?
I get excited about a lot of my bags, but this is a color I've wanted since I probably bought my first luxury piece. Oh, in all her glory. I got this beautiful bag, and it's called, is it Lilac Mist?
It's not called Grimace?
No. Oh, look at this beautiful, beautiful bag.
It's coming off a little lighter purple than in actuality.
On camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a grayish lilac, and it has,
Very subtly gray.
yeah, silver. I'm just going to slide it to the side there. Hardware. So,
Slide it to the right.
if you're not familiar with these bags, even though I've showed them numerous times, this is the I believe it's called the Bayswater zipped tote. And so here's the front of the bag. It's got, again, the beautiful silver hardware. You could undo this section, the turn lock is functional, but I don't know why you'd want to unless you just wanted the straps hanging there. Then you have the sides there. And again, this does move this, but there's no way to adjust it. Here's the other side. Here's the back side. There are no feet on the bottom. There is a zipper top. And then there is a removable, adjustable strap.
Is that one diagonal as well?
Yes, it is diagonal. Take all the stuffing out of here. And then the interior has one slip pocket, and it's suede. The other opposite color, the other side of the leather here. Oh, this thing. Let's see, does it say what it is here? The color?
The question is, are you able to
Okay,
read it?
mini zip base water, classic green, lilac haze.
Like H-A-Z-E?
Yes. Just look at her. So you can put these in or out here. Oh my gosh. Finally. See, I'll show you the card holder that I bought. I wanted this. Okay, I can't show you because it's in my purse right now. It's what I'm using right now. But it is the lavender. And as far as I've ever seen, Chanel did a color similar to this. Not quite as pretty as this. And so I bought the card holder. Because again, I didn't think that I'd want the cocoa handle. I didn't like it. And the only other bag I got near it is, I moved my bag here, but the Marc Jacobs.
That was a box, technically.
Sorry, yeah. Marc Jacobs bag that they did in a couple seasons ago. And I believe it was called Morning Glory. But this is, oh, she's so pretty. Because she's got that grayish blue to her. She's not quite as light as, I'm trying to think if I have anything else like that. Like even here, this is definitely lighter. The Portland Leather Goods bag I bought in their little lavender color that I probably won't be able to get out now because I'm trying to show you. Okay, let's just take down all my bags. But you can see the difference that this one's a bluer, and it's my dream shade. It is my dream shade. I know I absolutely love the fuchsia pink. Greens are another favorite of mine. Orange is another favorite.
I think you have a lot of dream shades.
I do.
Just saying.
Yes. Oh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh, this was a beautiful 2,000 subscriber gift to myself. And thank you all for helping me to reach that goal. I still can't believe it. I'm so excited. So now let's go on to 3,000. Then I can buy myself a $3,000 luxury item. I was just waiting for him to say no. So that's what I have for you today. I actually have another unboxing coming up, and that'll probably be on Wednesday. I typically put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I also am doing a book video now every other Thursday. So this coming Thursday, I will have a book video coming out. It's actually the July Freakout book tag. And I was tagged by Becca in the Books to do that. And so I will be doing that tag this coming Wednesday. If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well. What?
Thursday.
Yeah, sorry, Thursday. I'll also have my Wednesday video, which will be the unboxing. I am also over on Instagram. If you haven't found me there already, I'm at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And I usually put up a reel every week showing you my bag of the week and my SLGs. So if you want to see the purple SLG you can go watch that because it's up there right now. Then I put up every once in a while I will put up other miscellaneous pictures and reels. Yeah. So that's, I guess, what I have for you today. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Once I hit my 3,000, I can do another little treat myself. And you know what? At 3,000, I'll treat you guys too. So at 3,000, I will do another giveaway. We have a long ways to go, people, but we can get there because I know there are a lot of you that watch these and don't subscribe. So just hit the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a dime. It means a lot to me. And also leave comments in the comment section down below. That is like one of my favorite parts. I love interacting with everybody in the comments. I love finding out different things you've gotten and different things you like, things you don't like. It's always interesting to me when people have a different opinion than I do because I just think that's awesome that we're all so different, and thank goodness that we are. And yeah, I think that's everything I have for you today. I do appreciate you watching, and until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.
Bag's name is Baby Grimace.